Okay, so now that you have seen what we can actually do with the Photoshop editing, there's also another one that I use most of the time. It's called the Adobe Lightroom. It's way cheaper, that's for one thing. But onto a network, there's some stuff that could happen. So for you, if you're going to go, I'll show you. Hopefully, I'll get that pop-up window. So just a minute. Oh, there we go. So it's Adobe Photoshop Lightroom, either 3 something. If you click onto this, uh, that could pop up over here. So in this case, you press OK, and hopefully it'll come to this kind of window. Uh, you should, and I'll show you like when you're going to start to open it, when you're going to create your catalog. Afterwards, you're always going to have to choose that catalog. Very important. So I say choose a different catalog. I'll go in here, and in this case, I'm going to go and say, well, create a new catalog. So I'm going to create a new catalog for me, and I'll put it onto my DataD drive under my name, and I'll put that under my folder, maybe like into, let's say I'll create a new one. I'll say Adobe LR. So this will be my Adobe Lightroom. Put into that, say open, and then press on just save. Okay. Oops, sorry, forgot to put the name. I'll say GT. So it's going to be my GT catalog. Save that. So this pops up, and you don't need to go into that. Just say finish, because we don't want to go into all those automatic. But if you want to see what is these things do, but I'm going to show that, you can just go say next and see what it is. I'm going to say finish. So over here, this is the Adobe Lightroom. This is the user interface that we call. Very simple. It's just that you have over here will be where the catalog is. If you have, don't create a catalog every day. Create one catalog, and after that, stick with that one. So now, what do you do with this thing? This thing is just that I'm going to import some photos into this part, and I'll show you that into a different video. But just to show you the user interface, so you get also the menu bar. Okay, this is where you're going to have your pictures in, and then you have all those little panels over here that makes a huge difference. This is the library. This is where we're going to be start to work, is the develop module. You can create slideshows. You can actually print from this guy, which it creates a really good place, and you can put it onto the web. You can also have some plugins that says like, oh, Facebook. You can put it onto your Facebook account directly. And then over here you'll see like you'll have the film strip. So this is just to start it, and then in the next movie or the next tutorial, I'll show you that now that you have your catalog, what happens when you start, and we're going to start to import some photos.